Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be using keyframes to create sliding text like this in DaVinci Resolve on the iPad. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve on the iPad, and we're going to start off with this nice clip of Georgie checking out one of the exhibitions at the Dior Museum in Paris. Let's put some text over this. We're going to go up to titles. We're going to choose basic title. I'm going to drag that over the top of that video clip. Stretch that out so that it's the same length as the clip. And now we're going to highlight that text clip and we're going to go up to the inspector. Change the text, we'll type sliding text. So at the moment it just plays back like that. So we're going to move along the timeline to where we want the text to end up in the center like that. And then we're going to go up here to position and we're going to add a keyframe by tapping on the little diamond symbol, and you'll see that goes red once we've done that to indicate that we've added a keyframe. Now to create the slide, we're going to go back to the beginning of the clip and we're going to change that position X axis like this until the text disappears off the screen to the left there. And you'll notice when we stop doing that, DaVinci Resolve adds another keyframe in for us here. So that'll play back like this. Okay, that's awesome, but what if you want the text to slide down off the screen like this? Well, if we want the text to slide down off the screen, what we're going to do is move to the point where we want the text to begin sliding down. We're going to add another keyframe there by tapping on the little diamond symbol once again. Then we're going to move right to the end of the clip and we're going to use that Y-axis in position to drag the text right down to the bottom of the screen there. And you'll see Resolve's added another keyframe again for us there. So back to the beginning of the clip, and the end result looks like this. And that's it, it's as simple as that. If you have any questions at all, ask me in the comments. I'd be really happy to answer anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.